Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. We have another icon. It's a 1992 Chevrolet 454 SS pickup. This one's pretty special because it's got a little over 30,000 miles. And it's pretty stock. My client's owned this thing for about 15 years. Hardly drives it. It remains under the cover in the garage. Has a Vortex Supercharger on it. I believe it adds about 90 horsepower. It's got Weston steps, Tubular steps. This is a custom exhaust, high flow cats. It's loaded, there's a sliding window. It's got that cool stereo in it, Equalizer. Hand painted pinstripe. Looks like Nelson Medina. And it's absolutely beautiful. Really special truck. These 90s trucks and cars are really coming up in value. Even has the correct BF Goodrich top TAs. Wow. Awesome. Definitely one of the nicest ones I've ever seen. Nice touch too with the supercharger. You can hear it whining when it comes around. Beautiful super strong body. And a rain guards too. Tonneau cover was added as well. Extang. Beautiful velour interior. Very comfortable with the added armrest. Gorgeous headliner. A lot of the times these visors kind of sag down. Beautiful dash. Power locks, windows, mirrors, cruise control, tilt. 31,996 miles. Awesome. Look how beautiful the lenses are. Showpiece for sure. Owner's manuals. Added boost gauge. Yeah, beautiful truck. And so gorgeous. .3-liter. This motor's out of the C3500. Stock, I think it's 320 horse, 385 pounds of torque. Supercharger adds 90 horsepower. He's an older gentleman and drives it around gingerly. Jeez, look at the sills and stuff. Original GM mats too. Loaded with options. See the RPO here, maxed out. Gorgeous. Man, as it was, jeez. Vortex V2. No headers or anything on this truck. Runs and drives fantastic. Man, what a pretty truck. Don't see him around like this. Gonna go for a quick ride.
That's it.
Man, Bob, what a beautiful truck. Probably get a lot of compliments, huh?
Yeah, well, what
Thumbs up.
shows, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and if you power brake it, it'll launch right out beautifully. You know.
Beautiful. Definitely got some juice.
Yes. That's why we put the supercharger on it to get
Yeah.
that extra, just under 100 horse. You'll probably get out of there.
Sure. Beautiful, man. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's a gorgeous truck. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. I took about 200 photos today, too. Check them out on our website. And thanks again, Bob.
You guys,
Beautiful truck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.